Hello, my name is Esteban. This video is related to the Assignment 1 of CS50 course, Flappy Bird.
The first work was randomize the gap between pipes, vertical space, such that they are no longer hard-coded to 90 pixels. In playstate.lua at line 35, I created a variable named gap and assigned it a random value between 90 and 120. I'm using this variable at line 37 to generate the last y value, at line 66 to calculate the local y value, and finally at line 71 to create a new pipe pair and insert it in a pipe pairs table. Consequently, I modified the pipe pair class to receive a new argument called gap_id. I use this argument at line 30 for create the lower pipe with random gap. The second exercise was to randomize the interval at which pairs of pipes spawn, such that they are no longer always 2 seconds apart. Again, in playstate.lua at line 23, I create a spawn time variable with a random value between two constant values, min spawn time and max spawn time, defined at line 21 and 20 respectively. The third task was the medals. Well, to generate the image, I use this web, www.makebad.es. This time, in scorestate.lua at line 28 into the enter function, I test if the score for the player is greater than min2 medal, the mean value to win a badge. To store the values from the player wins a medal, I use a local table called medal heat, where the first value is for gold, the second is for silver, and the third for the bronze medal. Now, if the score is greater than one of these medal hit values, congrats, you won a medal, and I established to true a Boolean variable for this. Here we are. At line 61, in render function, I test if you won a medal, and if it was, I draw the medal and above and move down the presenter text. The last task was to implement a pause feature. Once again, in playstate.lua at line 25, I created two variables, paused game and paused game boolean and image pause for the icon to show in the screen. In update function at line 43, I test if the key P was pressed and change the Boolean value consequently. Below, at line 55, I test if the game is paused for freeze. Don't change the state of the objects. Finally, in render function, if the game is paused at line 140, here, I'll draw the pause icon and the press P to resume text. That's all. Now we are going to see the game.
That's all. See you on next assignment.